Okay, welcome back to the Carebook Data Science channel. It's going to be a very quick demonstration of how to get you up and running with Jupyter Notebooks in an Anaconda environment. Now, I'm assuming that you already got your environment created. Okay, so let's go over here. Now we want to CD into the environments. We want to activate our environment. Now, when you created your environment, if you did something like this, okay, followed by your name. All right. Then you did this, and then you did something like this. It's already installed. Jupyter-labs is already, notebooks are already installed. If you didn't do that, you would do something like this. And do the install. When you hit the install button, you get a list of files to be installed. It's going to say, do you want to install this? Hit return for yes. When that finishes, Jupyter-labs is installed inside your your active environment. So now we'll come over here and say Jupyter Lab. Then you will create a new notebook. Now I want to recommend the first thing you do is rename your notebook and give it a meaningful name, okay? Like Hello World. Then you want to load your libraries. Import. Let's see if this opens up. Then you will create a new notebook. Now I want to recommend the first thing you do is rename your notebook and give it a meaningful name, okay? Like Hello World. PyPlot. Now what the PyPlot function allows, allows you to add things like titles and subtitles and X and Y axis labels to your seaboard plot, but that's a subject for a different video, okay? But let's go in and now we'll go and load our libraries. Oops. Load our libraries. And okay, now you can see down here it says idle. Let me just finish loading. So let's go ahead. Let's load our sales data through to pd_CSV. Okay. Now what I'll normally do, I'm going to put a / in. That way it says look in the current directory. Look in the same directory that the notebook is in. Left, all the command completions, by the way, are left tabs. So we can come down to here. Well, there's our sales transaction. We should be able to see it in here, but we don't. Well, there it is. So here's your sales transaction. Just click on that. Let's just do a head. There's a head. Let's just do a couple more quick statistics. Let's do it. So find what a column type, so I can see our data is an object, okay, and all the